Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best drone cameras Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is DJI Mavic Pro, Best Portable Drone. The first drone camera on our list is the famous DJI Mavic Pro. Now, in case you don't know, Casey Neistat himself endorsed this drone on several occasions. He went on saying that this is quite possibly the best drone he has had a chance to use, and that's something. Before we begin, you should know that Dazhong Innovation Science and Technology Co., commonly known as DJI, is a Chinese company that specializes in creating some of the best drones we have seen in the market. They are really famous for their Phantom lineup, something we will be seeing on our list today. In addition to that, they have some other lineups like Inspire series. Needless to say, the company has made sure that it has the complete range of drones suitable for all sorts of consumers. The DJI Mavic Pro comes with special features such as Active Track and TapFly. These features are there to make sure that your video shooting goes perfectly well. The 4K capable camera allows you to shoot high-quality images with great ease. The drone's camera is capable of looking at objects coming its way and easily avoid them. This combined with sensor redundancy gives you unmatched flight safety along with reliability. Number 2. Our second best pick is DJI Phantom 3, Professional, one of the best aerial videography quadcopter. There is no denying that the DJI's Phantom series of drones have become sort of a benchmark for the top-of-the-line consumer drones. Although they are made with consumers in mind, they are equally alluring for the most professionals out there. In case you don't know, the popular YouTuber filmmaker Casey Neistat has been using the DJI Phantom 4 as his primary drone for shooting a lot of quality footage ever since the drone first came out. With that said, today, we are not looking at the Phantom 4, instead, we will be looking at its younger brother that is known as the DJI Phantom 3 Professional. Now when you compare this to its older brother, not much has changed in terms of the looks, however, the Phantom 3 Professional has a bit of a flashier design thanks to the golden accents. However, in case you are wondering about the accents ruining the simplicity of the drone, don't. They actually complement the drone nicely and are certainly a welcomed addition. We had the DJI Phantom 3 Professional in our hands for quite some time, and while we were a bit skeptical, we found out some really good things, as well as some minor issues about the drone. First, let's take a look at all the good things about this drone. Below you will have all the amazing features that make DJI Phantom 3 Professional such an amazing camera drone to buy. Number 3. Our third best pick is 3D Robotics Solo, the best drone for the money. You may be wondering why have we drifted apart from the famous companies like GoPro and DJI and now are focusing more on the underdogs. Well, that's because they aren't getting a lot of attention, and we are about to change that. The next drone quadcopter on our list is 3D Robotics Solo, and while the name happens to be quite interesting, the drone certainly isn't. In case you are wondering, just like the Yuneec Q504 Kelvin's Typhoon, this drone is also heavily focused on the price-to-performance ratio, which means that the buyers will be getting the fair worth of every dollar they will be spending on it. Now before we begin reviewing this drone, you should know that the consumer drone market is currently divided into 2 parts. One part is dominated by the drones that come with their own cameras installed, and the second part is in which drones are using the top-of-the-line GoPro cameras. In case you are wondering which category does the 3D Robotics Solo belongs to, it's the second one as it does let you attach a GoPro. However, as per the Amazon listing, you would have to buy the camera separately. This is something quite understandable because the drone costs almost 3 times less than the DJI Phantom 4, and still manages to be one of the best drones in the market. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is GoPro Karma, another legendary drone from GoPro. The next drone on our list may come as a surprise to some of you, and the reason is quite simple. GoPro is basically this really good company that has created active cameras for ages. their small cameras are powerful enough to record videos at true 4K. Their cameras can be taken anywhere and mounted to pretty much anything. Needless to say, GoPro has single-handedly dominated the active camera market. The company has surpassed the competition in camera market by leaps and bounds. For a long time, nothing has managed to come even close to the amazing cameras by GoPro. It's important to know that this review is completely based on the earlier opinions of the prototype version. With that said, we don't doubt the capabilities and prowess of the GoPro Karma at all. In our personal opinion, if there's any drone to challenge DJI Mavic Pro, it's the Karma by GoPro. Just like the DJI Mavic Pro, the GoPro Karma is extremely portable. The wings can be folded into the drone itself, making it easier to carry around. The Karma is extremely easy to operate for both seasoned flyers as well as newcomers. Thanks to the easy-to-understand control schemes and an intuitive UI. The drone comes with an app named GoPro Passenger. This app lets your friends view your drone fly, and even control the GoPro as they wish to. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Yuneec Q500 4K, smooth and stable flight but missing waypoint navigation. We are taking a step away from DJI, and looking at some other options. The next offering we have at our hands is the Yuneec Q500 4K, also known as Yuneec Q504 Kelvin's Typhoon. With that said, one can assume that this was made as a direct competition to other drones on our list, especially the ones from DJI, and it actually can be considered a worthy competitor. The drone comes in a stylish carrying case that is oddly large. For those who aren't too fond of the white, sober looks of the DJI Phantom series drones, you should be glad to know that this one comes donned in black, something Batman would have loved. Still, not a lot of love has been lost as this is one of the prettiest drones we have had the chance to use. Sadly, we can't really let the looks decide just how good the drone is. That's why we decided to put the Yuneec Q504 Kelvin's Typhoon through the paces in order to see just how good it really is. Just like before, we will be focusing on the good things before we take a look at the things that are not so appealing. So, without further wasting any more time, let's take a look at the good things about the Yuneec Q504 Kelvin's Typhoon. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.